Hey, this is Barry Lindmark from Honeybee Manufacturing. I'm the engineering platform manager for the AirFLEX, and we're super excited to introduce our AirFLEX NXT for model year 2024 for sales. We've made some drastic improvements to our AirFLEX platform from our initial inception since 2014, and super excited to release it for this year. One of the big features we have released for this year is our cab adjustable skid shoes on the bottom of the header. So this allows for our customers and our farmers to keep our header in flex mode in all crop conditions, from on the ground to off the ground to roughly 8 to 9 inches. So you can keep it in flex mode and be able to contour your ground no matter what crop you're in, to be able to get all the crop in the bin. So we're super excited about that. That's really easy adjustable right from the cab using your combine controls on your real fore and aft buttons. So super easy ease of use for the customer, and be able to float and contour and get all that crop in the bin, as I already mentioned. So we're super excited for that. Another couple of features we've made for our 2024 is on our end shields, we very much narrowed it up down to a very small 5-inch footprint so that we can reduce crop trampling. We've come up with a very thin profile, 5-inch profile in our end shields to be able to reduce crop trampling so that we can divide that crop very easily. Our crop dividers are now a quick attach and detach to make it easier for you to take off for transport modes or to switch between our vertical shears and our crop dividers. So we released a new low profile improved vertical shear for 2024. It has the same narrow 5-inch stance. There's no left and right hand versions anymore, and it mechanically drives off our current knife. So there's no hydraulics, no electrical, just an easy quick attach, pop on, and it runs off our current sickle knife for its driveline. Improved the sickle sections with Schumacher cutting sickle sections. It's called a Pro Cut Air. It reduces the knife weight by roughly 12%. Which reduces vibration, oscillating, and loads in the knife. So we're super excited for that as well. Also in the background, you'll see our cross auger. We've increased the size of that to help with feeding of our crop material in bushy crops like canola, mustard, and peas. So that's a nice big improvement as well. Another feature which you probably can't see on this, but we've really balanced out our cutter bar flexible down pressure, so that it is a very even pressure on the ground from all the way from our 0 to 9 inches of flexible cutter bar. So we're super excited for that too. So along with other few improvements that you can see on our website at honeybee.ca, you can go right on there and be able to see our new website and improvements we made to the NXT.